In this video, I will show you how to build a jewelry theme store to your WooCommerce website. Before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like button if you are interested in more content like this. To build a jewelry store website, we need to install the jewelry theme onto our WordPress. You can find the theme link in the video description. Once you click on the link, it will redirect you to 𝗀𝗀𝗋𝗀𝗀. Here, use the search bar and search for 𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. Let's click on the first option from the list. 𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 theme collections provide plenty of multi-vendor theme for both e-commerce and WooCommerce. Here you can see a variety of themes. By purchasing this collection, you can add all the provided themes to your WordPress. You can preview these themes by clicking on the preview button. Let me show you one example here. Let's say if you click on this theme. Once you install the theme to your website, this is how it will look like. In this video, we are building a jewelry store. Let me show you how it looks. We can add all these to our WooCommerce website. So let's get started. Before we move ahead, today's video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create a native Android and iOS mobile application. Get the opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description. So this will be my basic WooCommerce website. Let's make this into a jewelry store. Since I have already downloaded the theme, let me show how to install the theme. First, go to the folder where you downloaded your theme. It will be in a compressed format. Unzip it. In here, click on this folder. Here you can go to documentation for more information about the themes. As you can see, here you can go through all the general information, including how to install and customize your theme. Let's head back and in here click on the theme folder. Here you can see two files. These are our two theme files which we have to install to our website. So let's start installing it. Go to your WordPress dashboard. From here, go to Appearance and select Theme. On this page, click on Add New. Then on the next page, click on the Upload button and upload the first file here. Now click on Install. To activate our theme, click on the Activate option. Here the theme requires some additional dependency plugins, which are Elementor, 𝗀𝗀𝗋𝗀𝗀, Metform, and so on. Let me show you one of the plugins. Here I select the Elementor plugin. Elementor is a useful plugin that allows you to customize your website with plenty of customizable options. It will help you to make your website looks more appealing. By clicking on this Begin Installation plugin, you can install all these plugins. On this installation page, either you can install these plugins individually, or you can click on this box and select all the plugins at once. Here, click on the drop-down and select Install. Then click on Apply. On this page, all the plugins start to install. Now if you scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see the installation is completed. Click on Return to Plugin Installer. Here all the installed plugins can be seen. Here also you select plugins individually or all at once. I will select all, and on the drop-down menu, you can now either update the plugin or you can activate the plugin. Let's click on Activate, and then click on Apply to activate the plugins. After the completion of the installation, let's go back to our dashboard. Here, go to the theme settings again. Repeat the same process for the second theme file also. Click on Upload and upload the second file, which is the 𝗀𝗀𝗋𝗀𝗀. Now click on the Install button and then activate it. Your second theme file is also installed successfully. Now to add all the theme content, let's go back to your dashboard and go to Tools. Click on the Tools settings. Here from the list, select Demo Content Install. Click on that and install the content. You can see all the available themes from the installed theme collection. From here, you can now install any of this theme which is available. You can preview these themes by clicking on the live preview. Here is my jewelry store. Let's click on live preview to take a look into the jewelry theme. Here is my jewelry store with all the products, which we now going to install to our WordPress WooCommerce website. Here is how my website look like. Let's head back. And now to install the jewelry theme. Here you can see an install button. Let's install this theme by clicking on the install button. After installation, it will automatically redirect you to your newly added jewelry theme website. As you can see, our basic WooCommerce website now made into a jewelry store. We can customize this website with the help of plugins that we installed earlier. Here we can use the Elementor plugin to customize our website. Elementor is a very useful plugin that helps you to customize your website. Let's click on the Edit with Elementor. And here you can edit and make changes to your store. On your left-hand side, you can see options which we can use to customize our website. If you want to add a title here, you can grab this heading title and drop it here. You can make changes to your text from the options given on the left-hand side. You can add video and images here. If you scroll down, you can play around with many customizable options. After the customization, click on the Update button to update your website. So that's how you install a jewelry store theme to your WooCommerce website. This will help your store to look more appealing and also help you to reach more customers. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries related to WooCommerce, let us know in the comment section. And if you like this video, click on that thumbs up button.